There's a bit of geometry behind the pivot point, and in my ham-fisted way, and with all apologies to anyone that knows better, particularly my maths teachers, if they're still around, this is the way I solved it. So this is the underside of the open tabletop, with the black line in the middle being the hinge point. And if we overlay the tray that goes underneath, and then we put a centre line in, we're first going to give some dimensions. So the width of the tray is A, and the overhang, which is equal all the way around, is B. So we can then, and this is where I need to apologise to my maths teachers, we're looking at placing a right-angled triangle with the hypotenuse C equating to that formula. So it's half of A plus B will give you that length C, and therefore you will then discover the pivot point.